Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm at Finch West subway station on line 1. This is the west side of Keele Street, and I came up here to see how things are going with the LRT West, Finch West LRT, sorry, and to see what's going on with the stations and maybe get some live testing of trains on the tracks. And yeah, I'm going to start out here. Just came through the nice new Finch West station here, or relatively new. It's really nice, much different from the stations that you see downtown on line 1. It's much more open. And also there's a station across the road, which is a bus terminal as well. And that station over there, I believe, is going to connect across the road here on the east side of Keele. And on the southeast side, where the new station for the terminus for the Finch West LRT is going to be. So I'm going to go around and see what I can see. Hope you enjoy the video. Oh, by the way, thanks to all the new subscribers. We did hit the 100 subscriber threshold. In fact, it's gone over 110 now, so I'm really pleased about that. Okay guys, hopefully you can hear me. Another busy intersection. This is Keele and Finch, and it's a pretty major intersection in the city. And if I turn around here, this is Finch West subway station. This is the west entrance, basically going down and cross underneath. Over on the other side, past the bus stop there, you can see the station. That's the main station, and it transfers into a bus terminal at that point. You can see some buses over there. There's the works over there for the Finch West LRT. So it goes underground there, underneath this intersection, and out along Finch West, behind that building there. I used to work just over behind this at the Shell facility for a little while. You can see a bus coming in here. So this is fairly new, this facility, like within the last 7 or 8 years. You can see in the distance over there, if I zoom in a little bit more, see those pylons? And then there's a little roadway that goes up. That is a bus transit way only for buses. That goes along the hydro corridor. You can see there's an excavation going on there. Grammin remote cam. Okay, so that's from the entrance gate. And then perspective, that's the station that I came out with on the Keele West side. They're busy, working away. Yeah, I'm around the back of the CIBC bank here, and yeah, they're still underground there. A quick look over this fence. Oh yeah, you can see there at the tunnel exit from the station. It's coming up to the lights over there. So I'm going to head west. As I walk along the road here, I'm hoping to find some of the trains under testing. I can see on the other side of the intersection in front of me some of the catenaries. Overhead catenary system has been installed, so I'm getting closer to live trains, so hopefully we'll find some. There's the tunnel, and you can see the track laid and the guideway laid, and then there's the crossover here, which is just about ready to be poured. You can see guideway being installed. And the poles for the catenary system. And you can just see further down as it goes around, some of the extensions on the catenary system are being constructed. So we'll continue that way. There, it gives you a good idea of the levels of construction there too. You see that big concrete lump with the conduit underneath for the electrical power and what other services you need. Control systems. And then on top you got the guideways, and then on top of the guideways the rail gets installed. Yeah, so the rail is laid all the way down the sides of the tracks here, so the guideway. So it looks like the rail is ready to be installed at any given moment. It says testing in progress according to the sign. There's a wide shot of fully installed track line from Sentinel all the way as far as I can see. But no trains. If you can see down here, it might not be moving, but there's definitely a tram or a train. There's the train. It's kind of cool. Shot from the rear. Guessing they're testing these, but this is not today. Another shot of the train. Number 6509 if anybody's interested. Don't pick it up. I know that 2 of the trains have been tested to 600 kilometers, which is part of their commissioning. Okay, that's the end of this video. Interesting challenge, this one, because I was trying to get access to areas that were very hard to see into. I was hoping to see some trains. I did see a train, and unfortunately it's not running. But again, I'm very happy about the subscribers. And please let me know in the comments, like, what would you like me to do? Would you like me to do more of the same thing? Or maybe I could do some of the construction builds in Toronto that are not transit related. If anyone's interested. It's kind of hard to do, like the one, for example. It's kind of hard to do the one in Bloor and Yonge, because really from ground level there's not a lot to see around there. Some of the bigger sites like Pinnacle, 1 Yonge and the Sky Tower, like CIBC Square, has some interesting vantage points. Front Street West, it's kind of a neat building. The Ontario line is not very mature, although it has started its construction. Similarly, the Eglinton West extension, I have good access to that because I live right along there. So I can definitely take some images of what's going on along there. But Metrolinx likes to board off its work for obvious reasons, safety and security. There's also a lot of GO work going on. If you want me to visit a particular GO station that's been under reconstruction, I know there's been a few in recent times. You can certainly take a visit. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.